In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. If you reconciled the wrong month, selected the wrong account, or discovered missing or duplicate transactions, undoing a reconciliation can help you reset and fix things quickly. I'll walk you through the exact path to find your reconciliation history and how to reverse it safely, plus a few tips to avoid headaches along the way. Start by heading to the left-hand panel and selecting Transactions. From there, go to the Reconcile tab. This is the hub where QuickBooks tracks your bank and credit card reconciliations. Before moving on, make sure the bank or card account you want to work with is selected at the top. You want to be absolutely sure you're undoing the reconciliation for the correct account. Next, look to the top right of the Reconcile page and click History by Account. This opens a detailed list of all past reconciliations for the selected account. You'll see each reconciliation along with its statement ending date and ending balance. This view is helpful for confirming you've got the right period before you make changes. Take a moment to match the statement date and balance to the period you intend to undo. When you've identified the reconciliation you want to reverse, click the small caret or drop-down arrow next to it. From the menu that appears, choose Undo. QuickBooks will display a confirmation warning, letting you know that undoing will remove the reconciliation status for the transactions in that period. That's expected. Undoing takes those transactions back to unreconciled, so you can correct entries and reconcile again properly. Confirm to proceed. If you don't see an option to undo, that's because this function is limited to accountant users in QuickBooks Online. In that case, you'll need to switch to an accountant account or work with someone who has QuickBooks Online accountant access. Many businesses invite their accountant for exactly this type of adjustment, so don't worry if you need a hand here. Once undone, review your transactions for that period. Fix any dates, amounts, or categorizations that cause the discrepancy, add any missing entries, and remove accidental duplicates. When everything looks right, you can return to the Reconcile tab and complete the reconciliation again for that statement period. That's it. By using the Reconcile page, opening History by Account, and selecting Undo from the caret menu, you can safely reverse a reconciliation and get your books back on track. Take your time, double-check the account and period, and you'll avoid most common errors.